Hi, welcome back to another video. Here we talk about cryptocurrency, basically about Bitcoin here. Are you guys really a fan of Bitcoin? I really want to ask you because personally myself I don't see Bitcoin as a future or don't even support Bitcoin basically because I don't want that much of anonymity in my purchases in day-to-day basis. I just want the blockchain technology to be the part of an integral structure of the ecosystem. All the economic transactions should be based on blockchain so that I believe in decentralization, but still there should be accountability for all the money. Yeah, there are some kind of payments some people need to make, but for me, my family, for common people, we doesn't need what Bitcoin really offers. What we actually need is less transaction fees, more eco-friendly transaction kind network, more sustainable way of interaction between government and ourselves. Yeah, so I believe Ripple, XRP is the best form of blockchain network which we common people can use. So I believe that the Bitcoin is overpriced and made millions of dollars for many people out there. Maybe they are doing legitimate transaction only, but a large majority of transactions are illegitimate, and most funding for the terrorism are being done through Bitcoin. So I basically don't support what Bitcoin is offering. Maybe there are people out there who are doing legitimate things but still want the privacy that Bitcoin offers, but still there are other ways that we can use blockchain technology. So we need to talk about the technology aspect of this thing, and we need to see how efficient the blockchain is, and we need to find an alternative for Bitcoin so that there is more opportunity for other people who don't belong to the Bitcoin league can also become rich and support for the the society as a whole. So there should be an upcoming of some other form of cryptocurrencies coming years. So what I believe in, which all coins that I believe in personally, is Cardano, Ripple, XLM, kind of thing. It doesn't mean that Ethereum is not something which is going to drop. Ethereum is going to have a steady phase of growth, but still, look at Bitcoin. It's overpriced. There should be a more sustainable way. Actually Bitcoin is creating a lot of ecological, environmental, political disorders, I think. So it should be eradicated maybe. Maybe I am wrong, but still I believe so. I would believe in decentralization, but doesn't mean that I want to be away from the government. I want support of the government, and that gives me more power to believing in a constitution, to be part of a political system and be a citizen, be a democratic citizen. That gives me more power than being entirely out from the government. Be the part of blockchain. The blockchain should be integrated by the government. That's what I am talking about. So I feel like after this pandemic situation, when the new world order by the UN arrives, like the Agenda 21 and the Agenda 30 talks about, maybe the big banks will be using Ripple as the mode of transaction. So when some person want to make a transaction from here to some other part of the world, what happened is we transact INR, which is basically will be integrated into the blockchain, so that INR, Indian rupee, can also be a part of blockchain technology. We also can shift from what this paper fiat currency to a blockchain kind of thing, so that everything will be a kind of digital recorded, and every node can be properly accessed and can be recorded. So it gives more clarity and ease and less transaction fees and less paper files are needed to fast transaction can be made possible. Like within 4 seconds we can make the payment. It go our INR, it transfers Ripple, and Ripple goes to the other end, and it converted to the fiat currency that particular area needs. So Bitcoin, it's not a proper way to transfer money. It can be really peer-to-peer kind of thing, but there are certain kind of payments that government need to monitor. There are should be monitored for tax collection. Taxes are good, right? The government need to get taxes, then only we can have public development, right? So there should be a decentralized private, there should be privacy, but at the same time it should be accountable. The money should be accountable. There should be a proper balance. So I believe in Ripple. Maybe I'm wrong. What do you guys think about the future price of Ripple in coming years? What do you think? How the predictions are gonna? What are your forecasts? Tell me about it. In Simpsons also, Ripple has been mentioned, like it will be the future of transactions. So maybe Bitcoin is on a bubble, and sooner or later it will collapse. As per nature's law, something goes up, need to collapse. And I don't know for how long the Bitcoin can go up and up and up, and how long it can last like this. Since the world is going towards an environmentally friendly, ecologically friendly, more sustainable way, so maybe Bitcoin can do that in future by shifting to alternate fuels. But right now there is already another opportunity through Ripple, because Ripple is already mined, and it's like 50 billion ripples out in the circulation, and there is no need for spending excess amount burning fuels to mine. What are your thoughts about Ripple? Let's start a discussion in my WhatsApp number. So I will be giving my number. You can text me there, or my link to the WhatsApp group, so you can join there and start a discussion. You can send me links. I can also send some awareness about the Ripple, because I have seen some videos talking about the New World Order, Ripple, the banking system going to entirely change to XRP kind of thing. Maybe XLM also has some kind of opportunity because of the sustainable kind of way how it works. So let's get subscribed and turn on the bell icon so that you will get notified when I post some interesting videos like this. Maybe interesting, I don't know, but still I will be posting more videos about the crypto field, because I feel like this is the real future of how after the pandemic situation the world is going to the real future. Yeah, when I talk about it as a future, people don't understand how it is going to be the future. People still believing in the same fiat currencies. The technology is going much faster than we have thought. Artificial intelligence is here. Sooner or later we will be injecting a chip over here, RFID chip, so we will be making our payments through that. So we need to be aware about these kind of things, and we need to start discussing much early as possible. Otherwise it will be like a radical change, just like demonetization happened one night. All these things will be happening, and we will be never ready for that, and people who are already invested would have a great start. So we will be left out of that way. So please kindly install these WazirX, CoinSwitch, CoinDCX, Coin, Binance, these kind of applications that I provide the link here. Either you can download it yourself from the Play Store and start your KYC registration and get ready for the future, I think. Maybe I can hide all these things from you and stop speaking about the cryptocurrency and me myself enjoy with all the richness, but it's not the way I want it to. I want the world to be a sustainable kind of way. Everyone need to have a perfect way of lifestyle. There is no point being poor. So start investing here, and let's not getting richer. Let's have a sustainable way of lifestyle together, community form of life, helping each other, starting new entrepreneurship, giving others job. For that we need money, right? There is no way we go take a loan, start an entrepreneurship startup, and maybe it fails. Like when we start like 3-4 startups, then only one gets success. So there is no need to take a loan and start a startup, invest small money like this. Maybe in future we will be absorb the blockchain technology and will be rewarded for being an early bird here and supporting the system as a whole. So see ya guys, see ya in another video. Till then, Shiva signing out from Ripple Space Time. Bye bye.